We're going to start off by going over the basic ballet hand and finger positions. Firstly, you want your thumb to constantly be almost touching your middle finger. The rest of your fingers should be relatively straight but relaxed. Your wrist should be on the same curve as your fingers, but be able to move and rotate with whatever the rest of your body is doing. Now let's move on to the 5 basic ballet arm and foot positions. Let's get started with first position. Your heels should be together and your feet and your toes should be facing as far away from each other as possible. Your arms should be in front of you, hands directly in front of your belly button. Your shoulders should be pressing down and back. Now to get to second position, tendu your foot out and place your foot down there. Your feet should be a little wider than shoulder width apart. Turn out as much as possible while maintaining your balance. Second position, arms should be held a little bit lower than your shoulders. Your elbows should be slightly rounded and arms spiraling forward, displaying your ballet fingers that we just practiced. Fourth position, feet are about a foot apart from each other and turned out all the way. Your legs should be totally squared off and your hips should be facing forward like headlamps. One arm should be directly above your head and the other in first position in front of your belly button like we practiced. Keep your shoulders rounded. Now finally, fifth position, drag your front foot into your back foot so that they're touching. Turn out from your hips. Your heel should be touching the toe of your other foot. Both arms should be directly above your head in high position. Lengthen the back of your neck and keep your shoulders down and back. Your middle fingers should be almost touching. These are your 5 basic ballet positions. Thank you for watching.